Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
White peafowl, Pavo cristatus. The white peafowl is a unique variation of the Indian peafowl. It is characterized by its striking white plumage, which is a result of a genetic mutation, leucism, that affects the pigmentation in the feathers. While its physical characteristics are similar to the Indian peafowl, its pure white color makes it an attention-grabbing and exotic variation. Physical description. Color. The most distinguishing feature of the white peafowl is its entirely white plumage. The males have a snow-white body with a crest on top of their heads. Their tail feathers, though typically long and adorned with iridescent eye spots, are also white instead of the usual vibrant colors found in the Indian peafowl. Size. The white peafowl is similar in size to the Indian peafowl. Males, they can reach up to 2.5 meters, 8 feet in length, including their tail, and weigh between 4 to 6 kilograms, 8.8 to 13.2 pounds. Females are smaller, typically weighing around 2.5 to 4 kilograms, 5.5 to 8.8 pounds, and are about 1 meter, 3.3 feet in length. Tail. The male's tail is quite long, but it does not have the same vibrant color variations as the Indian peafowl, being uniformly white with eye spots. Habitat. The white peafowl, like the Indian peafowl, is native to the Indian subcontinent, but is often found in captivity or in ornamental settings due to its beauty and uniqueness. These birds are usually found in forests, grasslands, and savannas, where they can find shelter and access to food. In the wild, they typically reside in tropical or subtropical regions. While they are more commonly kept in aviaries, gardens, and private estates, they can also be seen in zoos around the world. Diet. Omnivorous. White peafowl have a varied diet, consisting mainly of seeds, fruits, and nuts, insects and small reptiles, such as frogs and lizards, grasses and other plant matter. They often forage on the ground and are skilled at finding food in dense vegetation. During breeding season, their diet may be richer in protein to support their physical needs. Behavior. Social birds. White peafowl, like their Indian counterparts, are social birds and typically live in small groups, particularly outside the breeding season. Territorial. Males are highly territorial during mating season and will display their impressive white tails to attract females. Foraging. They spend much of their day foraging for food in the wild. While they are capable of flight, they tend to spend more time on the ground for feeding and nesting. Vocalization. White peafowl produce loud, distinctive calls, especially during mating seasons. Their calls are used for communication between individuals and to assert dominance. Breeding season. The breeding season for white peafowl typically occurs in the spring to early summer. During this period, males put on an elaborate courtship display where they fan out their white iridescent tail feathers and make loud calls to attract a mate. Nesting. The female builds a nest on the ground in dense vegetation where she lays about 4 to 8 eggs. These eggs are typically a pale cream color. Incubation. The female incubates the eggs for approximately 28 days. Once the chicks hatch, they are cared for by both parents until they are ready to forage independently. Lifespan. In the wild, white peafowl live about 15 to 20 years. However, in captivity, with proper care, they can live even longer, often reaching up to 25 years. Their lifespan can be influenced by factors such as diet, habitat, and protection from predators in the wild.